Imagine creating an influencer who never sleeps, never needs a camera crew, and can generate content 24/7, all using AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how people are creating realistic AI influencers, growing audiences, and monetizing them online without ever showing their face. And the crazy part? You don't need experience, editing skills, or even expensive equipment to get started. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from generating ultra-realistic AI photos and videos to setting up your influencer brand and earning money through Fanvue. Plus, if you sign up using the link in my description, you'll get access to Fanvue's free official AI creator course and keep 100% of your earnings for the first 7 days with zero platform fees. Take a screenshot of that influencer because we're going to use it as a reference. Now open ChatGPT, switch to the GPT-4 image analysis option, and simply upload that screenshot. After uploading, write a simple prompt like, create a detailed AI influencer prompt based on this style. And within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full professional prompt for you, including the influencer's look, outfit style, facial features, lighting, camera angle, background, aesthetic, and overall vibe. This is one of the easiest ways to create high-quality AI influencer prompts, even if you have zero experience. Instead of trying to think of everything manually, ChatGPT basically analyzes the style for you and turns it into a ready-to-use AI prompt that you can use in image generation tools. Now, the best part is, you don't even need expensive tools for this. Simply go to Meta AI, create a free account, and log in. It's completely free to use, with no cost at all. Once you're inside, just copy the prompt that ChatGPT generated for you and paste it into Meta AI. Within seconds, Meta AI will create stunning AI influencer images for you automatically. And honestly, the quality is surprisingly good. The model looks realistic, the lighting looks professional, and everything depends on how detailed your prompt is. As you can see, the results look amazing straight out of the generator. Now simply download the image you like the most. Then click on the animate option below the image, and Meta AI will start turning that photo into a video for free. So don't worry if you're completely new to this, because I'm showing you one of the easiest ways to create AI influencer content without needing advanced editing skills. After that, I copied another prompt, pasted it again into Meta AI, generated more influencer images, and animated them into videos as well. In just a short time, we already have multiple AI influencer videos ready to post online. All right, now that we've created our AI influencer and generated videos, let me show you how to actually monetize this content using Fanvue.com. Fanvue is a platform where creators, especially AI creators, can build an audience and earn money from their content. And right now, AI influencers are growing insanely fast on the platform. The cool thing is that Fanvue is beginner-friendly, so even if you're starting from zero with no followers or content creation experience, you can still get started very easily. Now let me walk you through the sign-up process step by step. Make sure you use the link in the first line of my description, because Fanvue is giving exclusive benefits to new creators who sign up through this link. Simply click on the link and log in using your Google account. After that, click on Start Earning. If someone referred you, you can enter their referral information, then click Continue. Next, select your country of residence. In the Creator Type section, choose AI Creator if you plan to create AI-generated content. After that, select the type of content you want to create. Now enter your name and choose your handle or username. Then set your subscription price for your profile. After completing that, start the verification process. You can even use the QR code on your mobile phone to complete the verification more easily. Once your verification is approved, your account will be ready for monetization and earnings. You'll also get free access to Fanvue's official AI creator course, which teaches you how to grow and monetize your AI influencer properly. Plus, you'll keep 100% of your earnings for the first 7 days with zero platform fees deducted. After signing up, make sure to confirm your email immediately because the free course unlocks right after email verification. And after that, you'll also need to complete the KYC verification process because it's a mandatory step for monetization on the platform. Now just come into the dashboard and click on the earnings and payouts section. Here, you'll be able to see your earnings and payout information. But before that, let me show you how to create your first post. Simply click on New Post. After that, choose who can see your content. You can select any option you want, but in my case, I'm choosing followers and subscribers. Now upload your video from your PC, laptop, or mobile device. Select the video you want to post, then write a caption. For learning purposes, you can type any random caption for now. After that, click on Create Post, and that's it. Your post is now live and ready for people to watch. Now go back to the homepage, click on the Feed section, and here you'll be able to see your uploaded post. You can also edit or delete your posts anytime from here. Again, I'm going to create another post the same way. Just upload another video or image, write a caption, and click Create. Within seconds, another post is ready and published on your profile. You can always visit the feed page to check your posts, followers, subscribers, engagement, and overall account activity. And once you start earning, you can easily withdraw your earnings directly from the payout section. I hope this video helped you understand how simple it is to create and monetize AI influencer content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.